Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and you are at your homes. Stay safe, stay at your homes. We are going to start with our new lecture that is phasing in Revit. Phasing in Revit is basically it is a timeline, right? So for example, say I have built a house, right? So if the house I have built it is the existing one. Right. So what I need to do is that I have to make a new construction to my house. While making a new construction, I have to demolish some part of it and then I have to create a new construction on the house, in the house, right? So it is basically of three types. One is existing, which is being existing the house, what needs to be demolished while making a new construction, and then it's a new construction that what new things we are going to make or add into our house. I'll try to explain you. For example, say that I have created a house. Say this is the existing one, right? And I have one more room on this side that is the existing one. So this is my existing house. For next, what I need to do, this is the existing phase. This whole house, it's an existing phase. Now what I need to do is, right, I need to demolish this part of my house, and after that, after demolishing it, I want to create a new construction on this side, right? So now in this phase, if this is the existing, this is the demolished phase that I have to demolish, and this is my new construction that I have to do, right? So these all are the phases. It is for the architects to see that what things they have added onto the project and what things they have demolished, to see a basic timeline that what was need to be done. So we'll do this in Revit, right? So for example, say what I'll do is I'll go for a new project, right? I've gone to a new project. I'll try to explain you that how to do phasing in Revit itself, right? So for example, I'll try to explain you in this. I have made a house, right? So I told you that first of all I'll make one more level onto it to explain you better that what has to be done. What you need to do is shortcut LL you can do, or you can go to this level tab on the right side. So I have LL and I have to create it on 3 meters distance. The units are in mm, so this is the 3 meters, right? So what I need to do is I want to change it, double click on it, go for 3000. So the level is adjusted and I need to make it on 6 meters elevation. So I have done it. So these three levels I have created, one is 0, one is on 3 meters and one is on 6 meters of the house. Going to level 1, selecting it, then the top constraint to level 3 I want to have it. Then I'll add a roof onto it, going to architecture, then roof, then on level 3 I want to have the roof, right? So this is the level 3 and it is this underlays on. I'm able to see the room itself, right? So what I'll do is I'll go to level 3, I'll make a room, a house, a roof onto it, giving 1 meter of offset, right? So 1 meter offset I have given. I'll change its slope 20 degree, right? So this is what I've done is I have created a house, and as I've told you before, there is one more existing part of the house on the right side, right? So I'll go to it, create, say, a room over here, right? Deleting the extra part, right? Now adding roof onto it on this part, going to roof. First of all, I'll select the level of it. This is level unconnected. This has to be done till level 2. Selecting it, going to architecture, adding a roof. Now at level 2 I need to create a roof, right? So what I'll do is I'm creating a roof, giving offset of 1 meter again, 100,000 mm, right? Now this is the roof. Now we have to make sure that this is the existing part already, so a roof cannot be generated on this side. So first of all, clicking on it, removing its slope, right, and then moving it to the edge so that it will give you error if you will construct it inside, right? Now selecting all of it, changing the slope to 20 degrees, right, and click. Now you will see that this is the existing part of my house. This is already constructed, right? What I need to do is that I need to demolish this part and I need to add a new construction over this part. So how we have to do it? You have to go to manage. Now in manage there is one tab which is of phases, right? We need to select phases on this part. When you click on it, it will show you the phases, name, description. Now this is the existing phase, this is a new construction phase. Means in this there are two phases. One is the existing phase and one is the new construction phase. Right. So I'm changing it to new construction 1, right? And on the right side you will see it will have two things. One is insert before or after. That means after this phase or before this phase. So I'll click on after and I'll give it a new name of new construction 2, right? So what I have done is I have created three phases. One is the existing phase, one is the new construction 1 phase, and one is the new construction 2 phase, right? Now three phases have been constructed. Now on the properties bar, if you will see, and when you drag down, there is a tab, it is written phasing, phase filter show all. So what you need to do is you have to do it show all by default every time, and these are the phase that by default new construction 1 phase will be there. The whatever you are making, it will be in new construction 1, right? And if you'll click on right side, it will show you all the phases that you have created, right? So this is existing phase, new construction 1 phase, and new construction 2 phase, right? I'll select the house and I'll change the phase to its existing phase because this is one is the existing, right? When you will see that when I have selected this phasing to existing, you will see the color of it has been changed to light gray, right? You can see this is a bit light gray in shade, right? So this is the existing thing existing house which is already been built. Now what I have to do is I have to demolish it, and I have to make a new room over this side. That will be my new construction 1 phase, right? So what I have done is that I'll go to the 3D, right? And what I need to do is now I need to demolish this thing. How I'll demolish? Select it, and the tab will be open, and hammer this hammer tool is to demolish the house. So what things I need to demolish? I'll click on that, right? So you'll see when I have clicked on demolish, whatever things, whatever side of wall or roof I'm selecting, it is now in dashed lines. This is the existing one, and this is what I need to demolish, and it has turned into the what? Dashed lines, right? So this thing has been demolished, and what I have to do is I have to go to new construction, and I'll create a room over here, right, as my new construction phase, right? Clear. Now you can see all the 3 phases in one single. The demolished, it is in dashed lines. The existing one, it is in light gray lines, and the new construction that I'm going to do is it's on the black lines, right? So I'll add a roof to it, right? Selecting its level 2, right? Architecture, then I'm going to roof. At level 2 I need to create a roof, right? So this, how I'll do is I'm giving a rectangle offset, I'll give to 1000 mm, as I'm doing in the other also. The same way, define slope, removing it, then moving it to the outer line, selecting all of it, changing its slope to 20 degrees, and creating it, right? So you will see now that I have created 3 phases, right? It's in a single view. This is the demolished one, this is the existing one, and this is the new construction that I'm going to do into my building, right? So you will see here it is the phasing, it is new construction 1, right? If I'll go to the existing, you will see that this has been removed, and because this was the existing part already, and because this is a phase before that new construction has been done into my building, right? When I'll go to new construction 1, I'll see that this phase has been created because it is after the existing that what new construction I have been doing into my building. Now you'll see this is again the dashed line, this is the light gray or haze lines, and this is in the black lines itself, right? So see, this is this thing, you can see one, these all the 2 faces in this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to work in new construction 2. Now you'll see, if you when you will go to new construction 2 and apply, now this is removed. Why so? Because in new construction 1 phase, this thing has been demolished, right? Now whatever things you want to do into your house, this is already being demolished, right? The right side part. Now the next phase, because the third phase, right? The first phase was it has been demolished and new construction has been done. Now done. After that, one more new construction you are going to do into your house, right? Say what I'll do is, because I'm working in new construction 2, right? New construction 2, now you'll see it has been removed by Revit itself, and I am creating, say, one more room over here. That is my new construction 2, right? Selecting it, adding a roof into it, right? Level 2, I want to have a level 2 only. Rectangle, giving an offset of, say, 500 over here, right? Selecting it, changing its slope, apply, clicking on tick, yes, right. So this is the new construction 2 phase. Now see, go on the properties bar, drag it down, demo the phase created, existing, right? So this thing you are seeing that this has been done in the new construction 2 phase. Selecting it, right, and it is new construction 2, apply, right? So the demolished thing has been gone. This is the new construction 1, and this is the new construction 2. Going into the 3D view, right? So this is the new thing you have made. This is the phase, and I'll go to the new construction 1. This is being removed. Why this is there? Because this has been created in new construction 1 phase or existing phase. So I'll go to new construction 2. Now it has been removed. So when you'll go to new construction 1, this is the demolished, this is the new construction that you are going to do, and this is the existing one. When you go to new construction 2, right? So this is the phase of new construction 1, right? So I hope that it is clear to you that how to create phases into it, right? And then if you will see, now this is the phasing, that how it is done. It is a timeline to see that what new construction you are going to do and what things you have demolished to make the new construction. So I hope that it is clear to all of you. If you have any kind of queries, you can contact. Thank you and have a nice day.